So hi everybody, thank you for opening this, clicking this video. So in this video, I will show you how to calculate masonry wall quantities using your Android phone. So quantities, this includes concrete hollow block or CHB, bags of cement, quantity of sand in cubic meter, number of rebars. So our example here is concrete fence. So first we need to know the area of the fence we need to construct. So in this case, the dimension of one span of this fence is 2.4 by 1.5. Assuming that all span have the same length, have the same sizes, okay, we will compute the area of one span or one bay. So 2.4 times 1.5 equals 3.6 square meter. This is the area of one bay. The total area is 3.6 square meter times the total number of span. So in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we'll exclude this area because this is the gate. So 3.6 times 21 equals 75.6 square meters. Okay. Now, you grab your phone and open Play Store and find structures. Then click install. Okay, 36. Okay, now it's installing. Okay, wait for a while. Okay, it's finished. Open. Okay, this is the first screen of this structural engineering tools application. This is mostly for structural engineering engineers. So what we need here is estimates. Just scroll down below and you'll find estimates here, third from the last, and open and choose masonry wall. Okay, remember your total area of your wall is 75.6. So your input it here 75.6, and the CSB type, okay, we'll use 4 inches. For mortar mix, we'll use class C. This is example only, you can use whatever you want. For plaster mix, class C also. Class C means 1 part of cement and 4 parts of sand. Plaster thickness, okay, we'll use 12 millimeter. Sides to be plastered, okay, we'll plaster 2 sides. Cement bag, normally in the market we have a 40 kg bag of cement. And we have also 50 kg, but we use 50 kg bag. Reinforcement bar diameter is 10 mm. Okay, you can choose a bigger value if you want. Commercial bar length is 6 meters. This is what you can find in the market usually, 6 meters or 20 feet. For vertical bar spacing, okay, you have 4 choices here, 40, 60, and 80 centimeter. So it will click this C diagram here. Oh, this is how the reinforcement of a CSB wall. In this case, horizontal bar is at every 3 layers of CSB, and while the vertical bar is 60 centimeter spacing. Okay, so we'll use 60. That is only, this only for example. You want just choose whatever you want. Okay, now if your input is already correct as what you desired, click calculate. Okay, everything here is calculated for you, itemized. And if you want the summary, this is the summary. So in this fence, we need 945 pieces of CSB, 46.1 bags of cement, 5.1 cubic meter of sand, and 54 pieces of 10 mm bar. Okay, just simple as that. Okay, we'll try another example here. This is a simple house. So in the left side is the wall layout, and in the right side is the wall 3D view. So in this house we have 7 windows and 4 doors. Assuming all windows have the same sizes and all doors have the same sizes, just for simplicity. This is not an actual house. This is only for demonstration only. Okay. Okay, now we need to know the area of the wall, total area of the wall, vertical area. So first, we need to calculate the total length of the wall in the plan. So we'll start here, then go clockwise, then go inside. So the total wall length is 43.49 meters. Then the wall gross area is the total length times the vertical height of the wall, which is 3 meters. It's 3 meters here. So 43.49 times 3 equals 130.47 square meters. This is gross area because this includes the openings. So now we will compute the area of the windows. So the dimension of the window is 1 by 1.6 and the number of windows is 7. So the area of the windows is 11.2 square meters. For the area of the doors, so the dimension of the door is 2 by 0.8 meters times number of doors 4, so equals 6.4 square meters. This is the total area of the doors. Now compute the net wall area. Okay, so wall net area is gross area 130.47 minus the area of the window 11.2 minus the area of the door 6.4. So our net area now is 112.87 square meters. Then we'll go back to our application. Okay, click masonry wall. So this time our area is 112.87. So wall type, okay, we'll use the same wall ICSB wall. Mortar mix, that is time we will use class B. Plaster, class B, this is 1 part of cement and 3 parts of sand. Plaster thickness 8 mm, size to be plastered 2 sides, cement bag 40, reinforcement diameter 10, commercial bar length 6, okay, vertical spacing 60, can use 40, okay, 60. Horizontal bar, this time we'll use 2 layers, every 2 layers of CSV, then press calculate. Okay, for this simple house, you need 1,410 pieces of CSV or concrete hollow block, then 80.3 bags of cement, 6.71 cubic meter of sand, and 103 pieces of 10 mm bar. So that's how simple. You don't need to be an engineer or architect, even a simple carpenter or simple foreman or house owner. If you want to build a house, you can estimate your own house now. Okay, thank you. I hope you learned something and I hope you like this video. Bye bye.